Okay, now Tommy pick a card and Calvin picks a card.
And Calvin goes.
Calvin just went.
What? No, it's going this.
He went right after you. He didn't wait. He didn't wait.
It's supposed to go like
I know, but he didn't wait. He didn't wait his turn.
It's supposed to go like down. No, it's supposed to go like this. No, it's supposed to go like. No, it's supposed to go like. It's not supposed to go like. It's not.
Get up. Uh-oh, you broke the box.